70-year-old woman perished in fire. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A gloom hangs over the Marley Acres community in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, following the fiery pre-dawn death of a 70-year-old resident. Dead is Madge Davis, otherwise called Maggie, of 139 Cedar Drive. The Old Harbour Fire Department reported that personnel received a call at about 1:04 a.m. on Saturday morning. A team responded and found the 10-bedroom dwelling engulfed in flames. Firefighters from Spanish Town Station also assisted in extinguishing the blaze. Residents in the area said that the deceased was an usher at her church, Refuge Temple, and that her sudden demise has shaken the entire congregation. Miss Madge Davis was said to have lived alone. District Officer for Old Harbour Fire Station, Hopeton Johnson, said that the estimated damage was $13 million and that the house was not insured. The Old Harbour Fire Department has launched an investigation in order to ascertain the origin of the fire. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.